All right, here we go on section 3.5. Sorry it's a bit late. We'll do as many as we can here. All right, 3, 4, and 5 are right here. We're given a box plot. We want to identify the shape of the distribution, determine the 5-number summary. We want to assume each of the 5-number summaries is an integer. Well, first of all, this is, as it says here, is skewed to the right. Why is it skewed to the right? Because here's the median, and we've got a longer section to the right plus this big long tail. That means it's skewed to the right. If you want to kind of look at the histogram, it's going to kind of go up like this and then kind of taper off this way. Is what the histogram would kind of look like if we did a histogram. So let me erase that. So it is skewed to the right. That's what you got there. And then the 5-number summary is, of course, the minimum here is 0. This is Q1, which is approximately 1. The median, Q3, approximately 6. And then the maximum is out here about 16. Okay, on number 4, this is symmetric. It looks like it's the same both directions. This kind of does something like this. If we did the histogram, we've got the minimum, Q1, the median, Q3, and the maximum. So Q1 and Q3, and here's my numbers right here. -1 approximately, 2, 5, 8, and 11. Okay? All right, now number 5. It says use the following side-by-side box plots to answer the questions that follow. So here's X. Now remember, in a box plot, here is the middle 50% of the data. Here's the middle 50% of the data. So this is squished tighter together. Okay, to the nearest integer, what's the median of X? Median of X is right here. Looks like it's about 40. The third quartile of Y, well, this is Q3, which is about, 50, about 54, 55. So we'll go with, say, 54. Which variable has more dispersion? That's another word for spread. This one here is more spread out. We look at the IQR, or the spread from Q1, over here to Q3, that's the IQR, that distance is more spread. So that's Y has a greater IQR. Describe the shape of X. X looks like it's roughly symmetric, whereas this one, since we've got this is longer and this is longer, this looks like it's going to be kind of skewed to the right. Okay, and so we've got D and E taken care of right there. This is symmetric because we've got the same distance each way from the median, whereas here we've got longer tails to the right and longer, the inside of the box is longer there too. Okay, so there's 3, 4, and 5, and let's take a look at 7. 7, after giving a statistics exam, Professor Dang determined the following 5-number summary for her class. Use this information to draw a box plot. I always expect you to draw this roughly to scale. Oops, let me do some more space here. And so that means doing something like this. I don't mind you freehanding it. But it goes from 60 to 98, so let's start at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So we're going to go 68 is Q1, 89 is Q3, that's my box. The median is 77, and the minimum is 60, so it's going to come down here to 60, and the upper maximum is 98. So it looks just like that, right? So that's for my 5-number summary right there. Okay, let me know if you have any questions in class, and we'll stop there and do the last 2 on the next one.